My name is Sean. I work here at Holistic Options in Lake Mary, Florida. We just got our BEMER box in, and I wanted to do a little unboxing video because everybody's confused on how to set up the BEMER and what comes with it, what exactly is in the box. So I'm going to open that up and just get started right at it. So I just got to open all the tabs here. There you go, it opens all right up. So I'll flip this open, and this is your BEMER mat. That's the main component you're going to be using. So let's open that up and get it laid out. And there it is. So this is going to be laying on the back of the chair. So I'm going to go ahead and come over to the chair and just lay that one down right now. So just take our chair and lay it down. Make sure the cord is coming up the top, because otherwise you have it on backwards and you don't really want to do that. So now we already have our mat set up. So let's come back to our box and we'll see what else we got in here. This is our little B pad. This one, it has 3 different magnets in it. That one you can lay down on specific areas that you want, your leg, for example. We got a mat that covers it. You can lay it over top of the whole B body. Just a little case that comes with it. And this is like a metal bracket that is used to mount the BEMER machine itself onto the wall. Just a little strap that comes with it that you can use on the B spot. So I'll get to that now. Alright, and then on the other side, here we go. We have all the other components to the machine itself, and a bunch of different power cables. These are used for different outlets. One that we need is the American outlet, but we have different ones. The British one and the European, German plug. And then we also have the power supply itself. This one plugs right up to this one here. I'll show you how to do that in a little bit. We also have a little car charger here. You can plug that right into the wall of your car, your little outlet. These are sunglasses that come with it. These are used to block the lasers when you're using the B light, and I'll show you a little bit more about that. We have our machine itself, and I'll show you how to set that up. Okay, and this is the little B spot connection. This one can be interchanged between the B spot itself. It just slaps in there, and you just let it snap in so the magnets are connected properly. And then if you want to use the light, you can do the same thing. You can switch it out with the light. Clinks right in there. So let's put those down for now. So now let's go ahead and jump into setting up the machine itself. So I'm going to place it right on our table right next to our mat here. And I'll get our power brick and our cable that plugs into the American outlet. Let's run this one to the wall. Plug that into our brick. And so it's a little confusing on the bottom of the machine, so I'm going to just pull this up so you can see it. On the bottom there's this little line here and a little hole on the side. So when you're taking this little plug, it has to come into the side, go into the side there, and then just run it along the line that's set for the cord to go through. And there you go, the light turns on, so that means it's all ready to go. So the most confusing aspect of the machine when I was first putting it together is I couldn't figure out how to get it to flip up. So you have to push down and forward onto it, and then it snaps up. I'm going to do it again just to make sure you got that. So you just push down on the front and forward, and it goes up. There's a little protective screen, you can peel that off when you're ready to get it going. So the next thing you do is just push the power button, and it'll do its little process and start up. So I'm gonna get the B pad set up, the mat, the B body, sorry. And it comes with these little magnets on the ends of them, so you just undo the little plastic piece. And we're going to bring it over to the side of the machine here. So I'll show you the side of the machine has these two little magnets. And the magnets are labeled A1 and A2. So that corresponds to the port, and it's also how you set it up on the machine here. So we're going to plug this one. Make sure the little M symbol is facing upwards towards you, and you come in sideways and slowly let it snap in. Don't let go of it though, because that can mess up the connection on the side of your magnets here. So there's one magnet here, and these are the actual connections. So what you're going to do is you're just going to slowly guide it in. Don't let the magnets take it, just slowly place it in there, otherwise you can damage those connections easily. So now we are connected to port A1, and you can see A1 is selected. So let's grab the B pad, or B strap, I forgot all the names of these. Let's get that one connected, that way we can get you all set up and ready to go. Alright, there we go. Once again, we're going to make sure the M symbol on it with the little lines is facing upwards towards us. Going to guide it in. Boop, and then you know it's on. Now we have our mat, our strap, and our machine all hooked up and ready to go. So I think that was everything. Have a great day.